Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to quickly find all the links you and a contact have shared on Telegram, you're in the right place. Whether you're trying to track down an important website, a funny meme, or just want to revisit shared content, Telegram makes it simple. Here's how you can find common links with any contact using the latest version of the app. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen where all your chats are listed. Next, either scroll through your chat list to find the contact you're interested in, or use the search bar at the top to type in their name. Once you've found them, tap to open your chat with that person. Now, look to the top of the screen. You'll see either their profile picture or their name. Tap on it. This takes you to their profile page, where you can see more details about your contact and your shared history. On this profile page, you'll notice a horizontal list of options. Swipe through this list until you find the section labeled Links. Tap on it. Here, Telegram automatically gathers and displays all the web links that have been exchanged between you and your contact in that chat. This includes everything from news articles and YouTube videos to online stores and more. The links are organized in chronological order, making it easy to scroll back and find exactly what you're looking for. This feature is especially handy if you're searching for a specific link but can't remember when it was shared, or don't want to scroll endlessly through your chat history. Instead, everything is neatly organized in one place, saving you time and effort. So, the next time you need to find a shared link on Telegram, just remember these simple steps. Open the app, go to your contact's chat, tap their name or profile picture, and select Links from the menu. All your shared web content will be right there, ready for you to revisit or share again. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting on Telegram.